Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to continue with last section of students exercise 3. Now, in the previous lecture, students, we have done questions 1 and 2. So today, students, we are going to start with sum number 3 of section F. Now, what is the data, students? Carefully read it. The distribution of sale of cars of a company on different days is as follows. Find the mode for the number of cars sold using an appropriate formula. Now, students, here the given distribution is of mixed type. The given distribution is of mixed type, partly discrete and partly continuous. So we write number of cars and days is F5. Okay, 0 to 10. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 24, 26 and 28, and frequency days are 8, 14, 16, 11, 4 and 2. Now students, all of you concentrate. Here it has been reiterated, use an appropriate formula, and we have to find, students, mode for number of cars sold. So whenever we have a mixed type of distribution, students, we have to use an empirical formula given by Carl Pearson. So first of all, I find mid value xi. 0 plus 10 by 2, so 10 by 2, so 5, 25 by 2, so 12.5, 35 by 2, so 17.5, made values of discrete values is the same, which is a new concept. Students, you have to remember and memorize. Mid values of discrete observation remains the same. Now to find mean, I make the column of xi into fi, and to find median, I make the column of cfi. 5 into 8, so this is 14. 14 into 12.5, so 175. Then this value is 280, 16 into 17.5, then 264, 104. 264, this is 104, and of course this is 56. If I total Fi, and if I total Fixi, then I get 55 and 919. This is 55 and this total is 919. Make the column of CFI 8 plus 14, 22 plus 16, 38 plus 11, 49 plus 4, 53 plus 2, 55. Now students, once again, as the sum has told us, use an appropriate formula. Once again, students, I am reiterating that we have to use an empirical formula given by Carl Pearson. So first of all, we will operate mean. Mean x bar is summation Fixi upon n 919 upon 55, and this comes out to be 16.71 cars. because the data is regarding cars sold. Now, to find median, what we do? Median n is equal to value of n by 2th observation. So, value of 55 by 2, so 27.5 observation, which is covered in 28, and corresponding class is 15 to 20. So median class is 15 to 20, and mind you, the classes are exclusive. So, students, class limits and boundary points turns out to be same. So, median n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into C. L will be 15, n by 2 is 27.5. Cf of the above class is 22. Frequency of the same class is 16. And class length is 5. Simplifying this turns out to be 16.72 cars. Now, empirical formula given by Mr. Carl Pearson. More than 0 is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. 3 into 16.72 minus 2 into 16.71. So roughly this is also 16.74 cars. 16.74 cars. So median using empirical formula is 16.74 cars. Okay, students, let us do sum number 4. Now, students, in the fourth sum, we are told to find mean and median. We are told students to find mean and median in the fourth sum. Let us do it, students. And the given distribution is exclusive. So, students, we write in the fourth sum the given exclusive frequency distribution. The given exclusive frequency distribution is as below. Wheat crop per quintal, crop is in terms of classes, and farmers are in terms of frequency. 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the last class is 50 to 60. Now, whenever classes are of unequal length, students, you have to be very careful in doing the sum. So, students, pay attention by which particular approach we will go. Then for you can say mid values first of all we find, and then we go by the approach of F5 sin CF5 for median. Now 20 plus 25, 45 by 2, so 22.5. 55 by 2, so 27.5. 70 by 2, so 35. 90 by 2, so 45. And this is 55. We have a total mid values. Total of frequency is 116. Okay. N is students 116. Now 12 into 22.5 gives us 270. Then 23 into 27.5 will give us 632.5. Then 45 into 35 will be 1517. Sorry, 1575. Sorry, 1575. Then this is 1305. And students, the last is 385. And when I total FIXI comes out to be 4167.5. 4167.5 CFI. 12 plus 23, 35 plus 45, 80 plus 29, 109 plus 7, 160. We do not total CFI. Now mean xy is equal to summation FIXI upon n. So 4167.5 divided by 116, and this comes out to be students 35.93 quintals. So whenever classes are of unequal class length, students, it is advisable to go by FIXI. Now, median, students, next is median. Median n is equal to value of n by 2f observation. So value of 160 by 2. So it is 58 observation. 58 observation is covered in 80. Corresponding class is 30 to 40. So median class is 30 to 40. Now median n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. Since this is exclusive, class limits and boundary points are same. 58 minus 35 upon 45 into 10. Simplifying, students, the answer comes out to be, students, 35.11 quintals. 35.11 quintals. This is the answer of median, students. Now, fifth sum is not there, students, in our syllabus. Students, sum number 5, the graphical approach to mode has been removed by board as a reduction in the syllabus, students. So that sum is not there, students, in our syllabus. So let us do, students, number 6. A producer believes that the mode of his daily production is 70. So given mode is 70. Mode M0 is equal to 70. The distribution of production from the data obtained after making some changes in the design of produced unit is as follows. So the given inclusive frequency distribution is as below. Units are in terms of classes, and days are in terms of F5. First class is 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, 85 to 89, 90 to 94, and the frequencies are 5, 7, 10, 8, 5, 3 and 2. Is there any change in the mode of the number of items produced? Okay, students, we have to find mode of this data. Now, in finding mode, we do not require any other column than the columns of classes and FR. While finding mode, we do not require any other column, like the columns of classes and FI. Highest frequency is 10, so this will become modal class. So modal class is 69.5 to 74.5. Why this, students? Pay attention, because the given frequency distribution, students, is inclusive. So this will indirectly become Fn, above value F1, below value F2. So mode M0 is equal to L plus Fn minus F1 upon twice Fn minus F1 minus F2 into C. So N is the lower boundary point of modal class 69.5. Fn is 10, F1 is 7, twice Fn is 20, minus 7, minus 8. And class length is 5. Class length is the difference between students' upper and lower boundary point. So this will become 69.5 plus 3 upon 20 minus 15 is 5. So this 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So the answer is 72.5. Next. So what we are told, is there any change in the mode of number of items produced? Of course, yes, there is a change. Or you can say the mode has increased by 3 units. Mode M0 has increased by 3 units. Approximately, students. Because the produced units, you can say, students, number of units produced are, you can say, not in decimal. Even we can write it as 2.5 units, which is fair. But number of items produced, generally students, we write in the rounded of decimal. So students, indirectly I would by 3 units. Even if you write by 2.5 units, there is nothing wrong. So this sum is very, very easy, students. You can easily understand without any problem, students. Now, students, the next question, question number 7. The data for sales of oil beans of 2 companies sold in shop are as follows, which shows the sales for 40 days. If median is used to compare the sales, which company can be said to have higher sales? So first of all, students, we write median for company X. So oil beans is in terms of classes and days is in terms of F5. And we had classes as 2 to 5, 6 to 9, 10 to 13, 14 to 17, 18 to 21, and 22 to 25. And the frequencies are 1, 3, this is for x, 1, 3, 17, 9, 6, and 4. So we make the column of CFI 1, 4, 21, and 930, and 636, and 440. So the total of frequency is students 4040. Now students, we have to operate median because it is told that if median is used for comparison, then check which company has higher median sales. So we start with median n is equal to value of n by 2th observation. So 40 by 2. So this is value of 20th observation. 20th observation lies in 21. Corresponding class is 9.5 to 13.5. This is very important aspect of the entire sum. The moment you write 10 to 13 students, your answer will be 100% wrong. Because for inclusive, we have to write boundary points. So median n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. So L is 9.5, n by 2 is 20 minus 4 upon 17, and class length is not 3 but 4. So this comes out to be 9.5, and this is 20, 16 4s are 64 by 70. So we will have to, you can say the answer is this is 16 to 4, 64 divided by 70. So it is 13.2 16s. 13.2 16s. Now calculation can easily do, students, with the help of your simple calculator. Okay, so for company X, the median number of things sold is 13.26. Let us repeat the entire thing for company Y. Remember this also, but here the frequency and everything will change. Now we are finding median for company Y. And it is F5 for Y. Students, we have 5, 9, 23, 2, and 1. Still, this is 40 only. So CF5 will be 5 plus 9, 14, 34, 37, 39, and 40. So still, the median class remains the same. You check, of course. Now, students, substituting the values, we will get 9.5 plus 20 minus 14 upon 20 into 4, 4 is that, 4 5 is that. So 9.5 plus 6 upon 5. So this will be 9.5 plus 1.2. So 10.17. 10.17. For company X, the median was 13 point. How much students? 2 16s. Now you only check and compare which company has higher median sales. You only students check and compare. You can easily say that company X has students higher median sales. That's all. So the final answer, this is for company Y. So median sales of company X is higher than company Y. So students, this completes our long chapter 3. Now students, paper pattern I have already explained. Paper pattern students I have already explained. So you need not worry about paper pattern. I have already given students you the basic paper pattern. But once again I am rediscussing that. So students, you don't have any confusion. And in Thursday's lecture, we will have an online session to discuss with you the basic things. Section A, 5 MCQs of 1 mark each. So this is of 5 marks. Section B, we will have 5 VSQs, very short questions of 5 marks each. Section C, we will have 5 answer as directed or answer in brief of 2 marks each. So this will be of 10 marks. Then section D, 5 answers or 5 questions answered as directed. 5 answers as directed of 3 marks each. So this will be of 15 marks. And section E, 3 questions answered in detail. This is also of 15 marks. Here, 1 5-mark question. 1 question from chapter 1. 1 question from chapter 2. And this will be of tabulation. And 1 question from chapter 3. From chapter 2, you have to only do tabulation, nothing else. Students, from chapter 2, only tabulation, nothing else. MCQ also of only tabulation. Say how many types of tables are there? Then I can say, students, there are basically 2 types of tables: simple table and multiple table or manifold table. So from chapter 2 only tabulation. From chapter 3, students, from chapter 3, combined mean and weighted mean has been removed. We don't have to do. And graphical method of mode is also cancelled from chapter 3. Chapter 1, students, board has only kept full. Nothing is cancelled, students, in chapter number 1. So, from chapter 2, everything is removed, only tabulation is kept. And no big theories in chapter 2. Chapter 1 full, nothing has been removed from chapter 1. So, chapter 1, students, you have to do full. Nothing has been removed from chapter 1. So, students, chapter 1 you have to do full. Chapter 2 only tabulation sums, no graph, nothing from chapter 2. Chapter 3, what is removed? Then I can say concept of combined mean and concept of weighted mean has been removed, and graphical method of mode also has been removed. So whatever question I am going to ask from chapter 2, those questions will be only based on tabulation. So one sum of tabulation you will have in section D also, which is very small, and one long sum of tabulation you will have, students, in section E, which will be a long sum. So students, our first term syllabus is concluded here. In the Thursday's lecture, we will solve your doubts. So you are supposed to collect your doubts by Thursday, and in the Thursday's lecture, students, we will solve your doubts and we will revise. Clear? So this concludes our lecture. This concludes our long chapter 3. Paper pattern, what is removed, what is kept, everything is there on the board. So now, students, you shouldn't have any confusion. You can refer it once, twice, as many times you like to understand what is there and what is removed. Okay, students, thank you. We will meet on Thursday for a revision lecture. Thank you, students.